came back home from work today and I wanted to play some games, but my monitor started to act funny. You probably can't see it on the camera, but there's a lot of lines. That's the entire screen. So I wanted to fix that, but I'm too broke for it. So I came up with an idea. Why don't I just use my old laptops? They have a screen, so I can probably fabricate something. So to build a portable monitor, I only need 3 main things. First is a donor laptop screen. I'm going to be using an old laptop, just taking that one out. Secondly, it's the adapter board. Since laptop screens don't use HDMI or DisplayPort directly, so we need a driver board for that. And I got one off of Aliexpress. And the third is a simple frame. I'm just going to 3D print out a rectangle and slap on some bolts and call it a day.
Two hours later. One eternity later.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you want more beginner-friendly build videos just like this one, let me know down in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.